When we think of reliability, we picture machines that never stop, turbines, pumps, engines. Long before humans designed machines, nature designed something far more reliable: life itself. A tree faces wind, drought, and lightning, yet stands for centuries. Rivers keep flowing, cells keep dividing, forests keep renewing. So, how does nature never fail? Nature's purpose isn't perfection, it's survival. And survival means sensing stress, adapting fast, and recovering gracefully. Every living system follows three hidden rules: redundancy, multiple paths for the same function; feedback, sensors everywhere; self-repair, damage triggers renewal. The human body monitors temperature, pressure, and chemistry, just like a plant's DCS panel. Nature builds reliability not by over-designing but by balancing opposites. Trees bend yet don't break. Coral reefs are rigid yet flexible. Cells die so the organism lives. In engineering, we call this contradiction resolution. You want stiffness and flexibility, efficiency and safety, growth and stability. Nature resolves these beautifully. That's why it lasts. Nothing in nature works open loop. Leaves sense light, roots sense moisture, cells sense oxygen. When feedback stops, failure begins. That's predictive maintenance in its purest form. Measure vibration, oil chemistry, temperature, the machine's vital signs. When environment changes, nature adapts instantly. A chameleon changes color. A bird migrates thousands of miles to balance energy and safety. Adaptation is reliability in motion. That's condition-based maintenance. Act only when data says so. Even then, nature learns from failure. Evolution is the greatest root cause failure analysis ever. Mutation is a design modification tested in real time. That's how reliability grows: feedback, learning, iteration. So why does nature never fail? Because it listens, learns, and evolves. Reliability isn't avoiding risk, it's dancing with it intelligently. In the next episode, we'll explore how trees engineer perfect flow and strength, and how their secrets can redesign our machines. I'm Dibyendu, thank you for joining me in Think Like Nature. Predict and eliminate failures, inspired by nature. Like, subscribe, share, and tell me, what in nature amazes you most?